This is a review of the Apple Watch Series 6 wristband cover that I'll be doing a review about. And you can see here quite a few things I want to talk about this Apple Watch Series 6 cover is that this is a 40 millimeter and this is in a black finish. It looks really amazing. And I've been using this for quite a while now. And while I have it off because I use a different one, this is a very high quality product. And I would definitely recommend this for anyone. I do want to mention that this is a hard shell cover, so it protects your Apple Watch Series 6. For example, if it slips off or falls down, then this does protect it. It's very vulnerable and durable. The quality is really amazing, and right here is like a hard shell, so it really does, when it comes to like protecting it, it does the job like what is intended. So it's a beautiful black finish with adjustable straps, so you could adjust it to however your liking is. And it does come with the screen protector and installation installs as well too, which is a huge plus right there. It comes with the wipes down. Then it comes with the other hardware that's required too, a dust absorber. So when you install the screen protector, it's going to pick up the dust that comes from the screen and make sure that you have a very clean install. And it comes with additional dust absorbers as well too, in case if you mess up or there's more dirt, you can use that to clean up the debris. Right here is the screen protector itself right here. So I do love the fact that this cover, it comes with a screen protector, and that is to pretty much to protect your Apple Watch, the screen protector, from getting scratched. It comes with, I believe, 2 sets of them. So pretty much if you mess up, you have another one to do, and that's okay. So I do love the fact that it comes with 2 of them. But overall, I would definitely recommend this Apple Watch Series 6 wristband, watch band cover, because of the fact that it's very durable and vulnerable against pretty much if it falls down, then it is pretty strong. And it does protect your Apple Watch from getting damaged. And it also comes with a screen protector that, is a huge plus right there. I didn't expect that would come out of the package, but I would definitely recommend this product if you're looking for a new Apple Watch Series 6 wristband. Then this is probably one of the best ones. And I do want to mention that it comes in different specs. So you have 40 millimeter, or if your Apple Watch is 44 millimeter, you can opt to that. So I do love the fact it comes with different specs and different sizes. So I would definitely recommend this product, and would definitely recommend if you're looking for a replacement set or a new one, that this is probably one of the best ones to get.